Is your Audi A3 key fob not working as reliably as it used to? Are you getting a key battery low warning on your dashboard? The solution is likely a simple battery replacement. This video will guide you through replacing the battery in your 2012-2019 Audi A3 key fob, saving you time and money compared to a dealership visit, often $100–200. The process should take only 5 to 10 minutes with a readily available CR2032 battery and basic tools. The 2012-2019 Audi A3 key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This battery powers the fob's internal circuit board, which transmits radio signals to your car for remote locking, unlocking, trunk release, and the panic alarm. A typical CR2032 battery lasts 2 to 3 years, but frequent use or cold weather can shorten its lifespan. Knowing this helps you anticipate when a replacement might be needed. You can purchase CR2032 batteries from most drugstores and online retailers. Before you start the battery replacement, gather these essential tools. First, you'll need a new CR2032 battery, which is the standard type for 2012 to 2019 Audi A3 key fobs. Next, a plastic trim tool or a small flathead screwdriver to carefully open the fob without scratching it. Optionally, wear rubber gloves to keep the battery clean and prevent any static discharge that could damage the electronics. Using a plastic trim tool is preferable over a metal screwdriver to avoid damaging the fob's casing. First, locate the small seam on the back of the key fob, usually near the physical key blade. Carefully insert your plastic trim tool or flathead screwdriver into the seam. Work slowly and apply even pressure to avoid cracking the plastic casing. Be very careful as the plastic can be brittle. Do not apply excessive force. With the fob open, you'll see the CR2032 battery inside. Before removing it, note the battery's orientation. The positive side should be facing up. Use your tool to gently pry the old battery out of its compartment. Then, insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Make sure it's securely seated to ensure proper contact. Remember, incorrect battery insertion can cause short circuits and damage the fob. Carefully snap the key fob back together, ensuring the casing is fully closed and secure. There should be no gaps or loose parts. Now test the fob's functions: remote locking and unlocking, trunk release, and panic alarm. If any function doesn't work, reopen the fob and double-check the battery's orientation and placement. If the key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, here are a few things to check. First, ensure the battery is new and has sufficient charge. Avoid using cheap, non-lithium batteries that can cause signal interference and reduce performance. Second, double-check the battery's polarity. The positive side should face up when inserted. Incorrect orientation can cause short circuits and damage the internal circuit board. Third, make sure the fob casing is completely closed. Check for gaps or loose fits that could interrupt the electrical connection or expose components to damage. Finally, for models with advanced keyless entry, post-2016, try reprogramming via the ignition cycle. Check your owner's manual for specific steps, as this can reset the fob's communication with the vehicle. Key fobs are becoming more advanced, with newer Audi models integrating smartphone apps and touch-sensitive buttons. However, DIY battery replacement for older models like the 2012-2019 A3 remains a cost-effective and simple solution. With rising repair costs, doing it yourself saves you significant money and keeps your key fob functioning for years to come. Replacing the battery yourself ensures you avoid rising costs that can be inflation adjusted to $150 to $250 by 2025.